hopefuls, and I have a really small Dollar Tree haul. This is actually collective, and I wasn't going to share it, and I know some of you all said, Hope, even if it's just a little bit, share it. So this is probably 3 different, maybe 4 different hauls. That's how small my hauls were. I'm trying to think, is this everything? Some things are like stuff I go in there all the time for. So not all the time, but sometimes. Paper towels. I like to get the little napkins and put them on the table, the everyday eating table, so we don't have to get up and get paper towels. I'm gonna take a break on the paper plates and the cups. I've been taking a break on that too, because they just kept getting styrofoam cup after styrofoam cup, and it's just wasting cups. I was the only one that was using them, and then now they're just using them and wasting them and whatever. I'm trying to think what else. Sometimes toothpaste I'll get from there. I did get this, and I didn't want to get it because I could have got a whole pack at Aldi for $2.49. Not Cascade, but their brand, and you only get 4 in here. So the dishwasher, I started going back to using my dishwasher. My dishwasher, I really used it a lot, and you could tell it. And I should have, when I got the house, when we got the house, I should have got like it's the not plastic, let me just show y'all. It just look like a mess down here. The wheels are off and everything, and I should have got the metal. I should have got a better quality one. And the maintenance man said it was fine, but to me sometimes it don't clean good, and so if you already gotta clean it before you put it in there, you might as well just hand wash it. But then I know it's sterilizing it or whatever. And so anyway, I'm not buying paper stuff, so I'm using my dishwasher more to say all that, because Mama made a point. She was like, we buy these dishes, so we might as well use them, and she got a point. It's just so easier to throw it away sometimes. Speaking of throwing away, these little disposable placemats, I think Dollar Tree still has these, and I got these for Saya when he was a toddler, and I never remembered to take them with me, or they were in his diaper bag, never remembered to pull them out. And anyway, he is putting these in his little lunch bag. So he takes his lunch because he's really particular, and I think it's 3 different, yeah, it's 3 different patterns on them. So he took the monster one to school the other day. He only been to school 2 full days this week because of the hurricane. They canceled school, and he pulled it out, and I just told him Josiah, use it like a napkin and lay your food out. Let me open up one. I'm sure you guys know what they. That's a pretty good size. Lay it out and put your food on it. And he said he did that, and his friends was like, oh, that's so cool. They were so looking at the little monsters and stuff. So I'm gonna keep getting these to put in his little lunch box, because he doesn't eat the school lunch, but he has requested to eat the school lunch, but I'm afraid he'll go hungry if he doesn't. Okay guys, sorry, talking. Okay, I did pick up 2 standard pillowcases. I saw these, and these are mainly for the boys, but they do look like, I was wondering about how soft they were, the thread count and everything, but I picked up this tan color, the navy, let's see, okay, that's a little bit better, the navy, blue, and then I picked up the gray. So let me open them up. Okay y'all, so that's what it looks like. Of course it's not the best of quality because it's Dollar Tree, or Dollar Tree brand. It was at Dollar Tree, but I think it doesn't feel hard or anything. I don't know how it's gonna wash up, but that's a pretty good size, and it'll be good for the boys. I was trying to debate, do I really need those? But it is hard to find pillowcases for them. So I did pick up these signs. I think I did show them in a Dollar Tree, no, a grocery haul, because they were sitting at the top. But I saw this in someone's haul, and I picked up the Happy Harvest in the red truck, and then in the blue truck over here. So these are really good to add to your decor, your wreaths or whatever. And then I also got the Farm Fresh hand-picked pumpkins daily. And then the one with the apples. Really cute. Then I picked up the Sunny D. They don't have the Sunny. I think the Sunny D used to be like in the cartons that you put the little straw in. But they have these now. And going to do, usually I bring the breakfast bar back when they go back to school and stuff like that. And so I'm going to show that to you guys because I moved the island out of the kitchen where I got from Big Lots that I showed at one time. And anyway, I moved my island over there and created near the breakfast nook area where we eat at all the time, and I made a coffee little station and I made a protein station so Jason can keep his stuff, or it's supposed to be me too, keep our stuff off of the counter because our counters are a drop zone. So I like the little setup, and I'm gonna put some little breakfast items out. I also picked up some apple and strawberry fruit snack for Saya for his lunch. I have not picked these up in a while. These are these little shower cap like cover-ups for the bowls, and they come in different sizes. And then let's see, I did get Josiah, he left when he did early start, which he went to school earlier to get acclimated to school because he didn't go to preschool. He left one of these sandwich savers in his lunchbox. Well, he didn't leave. I guess I did. I didn't check his lunchbox, y'all, and it molded real bad, so I just tossed it. So he has a PJ Masks one that he's using now, and I got him a Paw Patrol one because I didn't just want to have one and you know the other one got missing or the same thing happens again. So I'm not used to my kids taking their lunch. They always ate at the cafeteria. Okay, y'all, so that box looks smaller than this one. It is. So the other day Josiah was I was asking him what snacks did he want for his lunch. So he was kind of looking, and I was picking what he might like. So he picked out this 4-pack, I think the week before last. So he has one left. And then I picked this one up the other day when I had to get the dishwasher pod things. And yeah, I don't know why the box is so, well, that don't matter. And then he wanted some cheese nips, the cheddar ones. I don't get these a whole lot. I just don't know why. And so I put these in a little baggie for him. And then I got some, I'm gonna let it fly in here. I got some Amarol for my car. I cleaned my car out. As soon as my kids eat in my car, it is like messed up. Crumbs, everything. So I cleaned it out because I'm doing Instacart, and the car has to be, it doesn't have to be clean, but it needs to be clean. So I like for it to stay clean anyway so I can be organized. And so I wanted it to smell good too. So I got this Amarol. What scent is this? Pure Linen. And I already put it in the car. I had one before, but I don't think it was Amarol. This smells pretty good. Let's see. I wanted to try this Pantene Pro V in the shower foam conditioner. I picked up they had different types, and I got the breakage defense. So I don't know, y'all, if it's good or not. If you have tried it, let me know. Let's see. Sasa wanted some of he loves these little cookies. Probably got it from Jason. These little vanilla cream sandwich cookies. I got this the week before last. He hasn't taken these to school yet. He absolutely loves peanut butter crackers. So you see he only has 2 of these. He's been eating these though when he hasn't had school because of the hurricane, just asking for snacks about every 2 or 3 hours. And then I picked him up another one the other day for this week. And then I saw the Vaseline Lip Therapy Aloe Vera. So I'm going to put that in my purse. I need to clean my purse out. I think that's it, y'all. That was really quick. I'm sure I'm missing something, but sometimes I just go ahead and put it up. But I'm going to try I go in Dollar Tree often. I'm trying not to go in there as much. Let me just turn the camera around. Uh-oh. I don't know what I look like, y'all. So I'm going to try to go in there more often than, not more often. I haven't been going there as much often because I'm just trying not to spend frivolously so just to be spending, or you know, whatever. Y'all know what I'm saying. I've been saying this forever, and I've been doing really good, especially since I've been doing Instacart, because it kind of makes me realize not necessarily, I always knew what a value of $1 was, of course, but it's just making me, I have to get out and get it. And I get it, I get it in little increments. That's what I want to say. In little increments, and I can cash out daily. So when I get in little increments, it makes you see it a little bit differently than getting it all at one time, once a month, every 2 weeks. And anyway, it's just been helping. So what I want to do is I want to start maybe doing 1 to 2 Dollar Tree hauls a week. And not a week, a month, 1 or 2 a month. And I think that'll work. I think that'll work. At least once a month. Because I am going in there, but I'm just not showing you guys what I get. So guys, thanks so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching every single time, going over to my blog. Support me on Instagram and Facebook. I see it. I notice it. I so appreciate it so much, guys. You just don't know, by you guys watching, that it helps supports my family. I'm able to be home with them. I make a part-time income from YouTube, and that money helps like buy groceries and stuff like that. And I just appreciate it so much that I didn't even start this channel to make money. I didn't even start this channel to even, I don't know, do all the different things that I do on a channel. I just thought that I would just do this channel to just share like my tablescapes and stuff like that, and that's it. But yeah, but I want to share more. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.